Do you know what are the trends finance and banking sector may consider for development in the upcoming years? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. You can also help us bring you the best and most reliable and updated information related to banking and finance by supporting us on patreon.com by just £1 a month. Link in the description. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Technology in banking sector. Trends in all sectors are common. In the same way, changing trends in banks are also common. The already existing technology in the banking sector is already helping out the banking and finance sector in its continuously growing journey. But there are few more techniques that may help in this part, as those could be the helping hand and may help in uplifting the parts where the bank failed to achieve success. As a simple example, I can make it more understandable is the way the sector is established its base and then adding up new things that could be a reliable option handy. We are already aware of technology like blockchain, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automated information technology and big data, and how they are contributing in this evergreen sector of banking and finance. But apart from those parts, it is mandatory to know some normal upgradation being made in the sector. Safety features in banking sector. There is a safety feature that would surely protect against scam and fraud, including cryptography and some automated application. In the banking sector, technology has revolutionized the industry as it has changed the way people live and work. This has increased productivity from improved efficiency and also brought a new form of the working mechanism. It is not only the customers who are getting benefit out of it, but also the employees, as for now the workload is less due to less paperwork. The mechanism of self-inquiry service has reduced the working hours. Trends in banking and finance sector. Let's now see these technologies and their contribution to the banking sector. Also, there has already been started in many well-known banks, and there is still some part of the sector that are waiting for it to be more developed, or I can say upgraded, so can serve more efficiently. Many of us would be already aware of ATM upgradation that came into the industry just a while back, and people are finding it interesting to be used for day-to-day living. So it would be better if we can start by knowing it better for mainly our personal benefit. Long bang, the ATMs arranged the banking system when they were firstly introduced in 1967. The next advancement was made when contactless payment was introduced. Well, I can say that was a huge step to take. Technological world were replacing something better with the best is now in great fashion. While making the ATM smart, a lot of strict rules and regulation is to consider. The banks are in total convinced part that technology will surely make severe changes that may enhance the working speed of banks, which is at one point true, as the proliferation of non-banks will surely make bank work faster, provide transparency and a great experience to the customer overall, which is quite impressive. But in this procedure, a large portion should be invested in the security part as well. Other requirements like compliance and most importantly the industrial specified requirements that are very important to be maintained. This provides the non-banking sectors also with great advantages. Since this has fired a competition, so now a better solution will be flourished in the market for banking and finance sector. Just imagine a scenario in which the features offered by banks would giving an Apple Store experience, while this image is considered to made into the implementation as a priority in technology in banking nowadays. The future would surely be seen as the shopping system quite interesting to use, as now bank apps are already available on Play Store, so the customer could easily download it and make use as a comfort. Banks are convinced that this is the way promotion and sales will increase. Also, customer engagement with these apps would be quite reliable, and thus the relationship can be maintained for the long term. Also, feedback can automatically conduct so that further improvement can be made to enhance usability. It is said by most of the experts that within 5 to 10 years a lot of banks may disappear or would convert itself into the online portal, which may affect the employments, but the human need would still be present as there are people needed to manage this computerized system too. As commonly said, human-made computer. Now human effort can be reduced by the computer, not human numbers. Banks are readily investing a huge amount in the digital system by which the website and apps used can be increased in number. This new adaptation can bring a lot of solution to the banking sector. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.